At 5, Northern Kentucky University is teaming up with the Boone County Sheriff's Office to solve cold cases. See, the students are going to act as fresh sets of eyes for detectives while also gaining real-world experience.
WCPO 9 News reporter Anna Azalian shares how this unique partnership actually works.
The Boone County Sheriff's Office says it has 18 cold cases right now. That means 18 families who still don't know what happened to their loved one who was murdered.
Every one of those cases deserves to be looked at, reviewed, and given the best effort to solve them.
Boone County Sheriff's Office Detective Coy Cox says because their cold case unit is just 2 people, they have to prioritize which cases they work on. Cox started by going through a cold case the Sheriff's Office recently solved, with the 6 students selected for this class. Then he brought the unsolved cases to the students. The Sheriff's Office asked us to keep those students anonymous for their safety.
One of the cases that I got to work on, when we were handed it, there was like 3 or 4 different boxes of everything.
From documents to physical evidence and taped interviews, these students went through all of it.
We were able to narrow from almost nothing and not really knowing which direction to take the case just because there was masses of information and it was really hard to tell what was useful and what wasn't useful, kind of into like a clear 5 steps that we wanted the detectives to be able to take.
Cox says these students provided not only a fresh set of eyes on the cases, but newly learned investigation skills.
We were able to apply what they've learned in a real world setting, which we always want to give that opportunity to our students.
For the students, it was rewarding, but also helped them with their goals for after graduation. One started working as an investigator because of this class. NKU says there's already another cold case class scheduled in the hopes that these students will help solve each cold case.
Every one of them is in a much better place and closer to being solved than they were when they were sitting in a corner in a box.
In Boone County, Anna Azalian, WCPO 9 News.